Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save money using good budget envelope system. When money is divided into categories, you become more aware of spending. When envelope is empty, you stop spending, and that's how saving happens naturally and not by structure. So first, once you open to it, in the top there's an address bar. Type down goodbudget.com and enter it and click onto this login in the top right and go to this fill envelope in the top here. Now over here on the right hand side there's a review and save. You can type down the savings under here as well, and when you receive money immediately put a portion into savings envelope. Over here you can fill up your form as well. You can give your monthly for the groceries, gas stations and savings here as well. You can also set for it and you can also add the amount, and this ensures saving is automatic, not what's left, and then distribute the rest, food, transport, etc. Then immediately put a portion into savings envelope immediately, and you need to stop when envelope is empty. This is the core rule. If shopping is zero, no more shopping, and if any groceries, gas or savings are low, you can also adjust it, and this prevents overspending and protects the saving as well. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to save money using good budget envelope system. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.